start this video, if you're new to my channel, I am Swapnil. I make videos on fashion, style, makeup and sometimes makeup hacks. So if you want to continue watching this video, please click on the subscribe button, hit like. If you feel this video was helpful, please share with your friends. And let me tell you what today's video is about. So मैंने एक्चुअली लिख के रखा है ताकि मैं वो भूल ना जाऊँ, क्योंकि हमारा माइंड बिल्कुल कंडीशनड है दूसरे टाइप से फाउंडेशन लगाने के लिए. सो द ब्यूटी हैक विच आई सॉ is you have to apply moisturizer first and then translucent powder, then setting spray, then primer and then foundation. That really sounds very different from what we are actually conditioned to apply in our face. Lekin I think we really have lots of time, so we should try this hack. And you never know if this really works और आपका foundation लंबे time के लिए रहेगा, तो why not? So let's start. It's asking us to first apply moisturizer. I have with me the simple का light moisturizer. अब गर्मी आ गई है and this also have SPF. So I am going to take little moisturizer and just apply in my face. And then we have to apply this translucent powder. It really sounds kind of scary क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है यार translucent powder लगा लूँगी फिर foundation. I don't know. I really don't know. So I've never tried this trick. I'm trying this for the first time. So जो भी मेरा reaction रहेगा, अच्छा या बुरा, it will be first recording in the video. So yeah. And also if you have any suggestion, I keep asking you in every video, please leave your comments. It really helps my channel. If you like my content, please help my channel to grow. And yeah, I have taken some translucent powder. This is from Pack HD foundation, high definition powder. And then I'm going to apply. No, this feels really weird actually, but TikTok made us do this, so it's okay. So what this is doing, it's actually taking away the shininess from my face because I'm naturally very oily. So that's good, I guess. And now the next part is apply setting spray. Now this is getting really weirder. I don't know how it's going to go. So I'm using this Pack micro finish fixer. You can use any setting spray, any makeup setting spray. And now we have to actually wait till this dries up, and after that we can apply our primer. So I'm just going to fast forward it now. You will not believe, but it's actually bringing on a little shine in my face. And now the weirdest part, we have to apply the primer. So I'm using Flower Beauty In Your Prime Illuminating Primer. So let's try this. I'm really not used to doing my makeup like this. It feels, but it kind of feels soft and my face feels, I don't know, I can't explain, but it feels like it's already prepped up. So I already did my eyebrows before because I was filming one video, and also eyeliner. So now it's the time to use our foundation, the Hero product. It's obviously if you have stuck around my channel, it's Makeup Forever foundation, HD foundation. I'm really not going to take much. This much is really a lot because first of all now it's summer, second of all I'm in home, I'm not going anywhere, so yeah, we really don't need that much foundation in our face. So but I'm really curious, will this actually work? Will this like stay for a longer time? I don't know. Also, I will like keep this foundation for the whole day in my home, and then I can give you the update कि ये कैसे रहा और कितने hours actually रहा. So मैं वीडियो के end में ज़रूर एक text में आपको बता दूँगी कि ये this hack actually worked or not. So don't worry, I'm actually going to try it for the whole day. So it's actually looking pretty good, guys. It's really looking good at this moment, and you know, let me try for the whole day and then I'll tell you how was this and how it actually worked. But so far it's really looking good, so I will give this hack 10 out of 10 because my foundation is looking, it's actually looking very natural, and so I'm just in front of the window so I can actually see the real it's not like I'm in an artificial light or something, and I don't see any pores. My face is looking quite good, but the only thing is I want to test if it's really going to last that long and wait for my next update. Till then, bye. Okay, hi guys, so I just wanted to update you the fashion hack which I did, the foundation hack in the morning. So right now it's night around 9 p.m. and I had this foundation for the whole day and you can see it was actually pretty good. So I can actually give this hack 10 out of 10, and if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel and if you're my oldie. And yeah, till then, bye.